Good morning, students. Today, as we know, I am just going to start the new lesson, Tansen. Before that, I want to show you a melodious video. Just enjoy it, then get it explained. Thank you. Friends, this is the fifth lesson of A Pact with the Sun, Tansen, and I am A.N. Tiwari, as you know, children. This is the summary of the lesson Tansen. You know that Tansen was a musician. He was a great musician. And this lesson is about his life, his childhood, and his flourishment. Tansen was the greatest musician of our country. He was the only child of singer named Mukundan Mishra. They lived in Behat near Gwalior. He was very naughty during his childhood. Once he ran away to play in forest. There he learned to imitate the calls of birds and animals perfectly. As you know, children, in the paragraph 1, it is told about his life, his father's name Mukundan Mishra, and his living place, that is Gwalior, Behat. He was very naughty and he used to go in the jungle, in the forest, imitate means copy, and copy the sounds of birds and animals. Once what happened? Swami Hardas and his disciples means students, chelas, were traveling through the forest. Tansen hid himself behind a tree. He roared like a tiger. The travelers scattered in fear. One of Swamiji's men found Tansen roaring. This made Swami Hardas say that Tansen was talented. Swami Hardas went to Tansen's father and told him about Tansen's talent. Tansen's father entrusted him to Swami Hardas' care. After learning music for 11 years, Tansen became a great singer. It was about this time that his parents died. His father's dying wish was that he should go to Muhammad Ghosh of Gwalior. As you know that Hardas was going with his disciples, his chelas in the forest, and when they saw the roaring that was made by Tansen, they scattered here and there. They were scared also. And Swami Hardas found that it was a boy, and he was very happy. He thought that this boy can learn music very well. He met his father, Mukundan Mishra, and they decided that he will be the disciple of, the chela of the Guru Swami Hardas. And he interested means he believed. He should believe that yes, my Santan Sen will learn something under the able guidance of Hardas ji. And his dying wish was that, when he was dying, his wish was, his antim iksha was that he must go to Muhammad Ghosh of Gwalior. And you know, children, he went to him. What happened then? Tansen stayed with Muhammad Ghosh in Gwalior. He was sometimes taken to his court of Rani Mriganayani. Name Mriganayani means eyes like a female deer. Mriganayani, queen, name of a queen. There he married Husaini. Husaini also became a disciple of Swami Hardas. Children, Muhammad Ghaus's daughter was Hussaini. Tansen married her, and again she also became the disciple of Cheli of Swami Haridas. Tansen had 5 children. They were all very musical. They were music loving. By then, Tansen had become a famous musician. Sometimes he also sang before Emperor Akbar. Akbar was much impressed. He asked Tansen to join his court. He joined Akbar's court. Soon he became Akbar's great favorite. बहुत जल्द वो अकबर के बहुत ही फेवरेट बन गए. And he would call upon Tansen to sing anytime during the day and night. कभी भी वो बुला के उनसे म्यूजिक सुनते थे. Very often he would walk into Tansen's house to hear. कभी कभी तो उनके घर चले जाते थे. तानसेन के घर अकबर खुद चले जाते थे. He also gave him many presents. बहुत सारे उपहार और भेंट दिया करते थे. Some of the courtiers were jealous of Tansen. ये देख करके कई कोर्टियर्स, कई दरबारी जलते थे. उनमें से एक थे, अभी उनका नाम आपको आगे आएगा. They wished to see him ruined. वो सब चाहते थे कि ये बर्बाद हो जाए, ख़त्म हो जाए. A courtier named शौकत मियाँ plotted to get him killed. Plotted means made a plan. Conspiracy किया, उनको मारने का प्लान बनाया. शौकत मियाँ knew about Rag Deepak. Rag Deepak was such a rag, when you start singing Deepak Rag, it catches fire. आग लग जाती थी. Singer like Tansen sang and the lamps would burn. जब वो गीत गाते थे, वो राग गाते थे, तो लैंप में खुद बत्ती जल जाती थी. However, the heat produced around singer could burn him. और इतना ज़्यादा गर्मी होती थी कि उनको जलाकर, burn to ashes, उनको जला कर राख कर सकती थी. So Tansen's enemy wanted him to sing राग दीपक. तो उन लोगों ने सोचा कि राग दीपक गाएगा, लेकिन तानसेन तो बहुत होशियार थे. शौकत मियाँ approached Akbar. He requested Akbar to make Tansen sing Rag Deepak. Akbar ordered Tansen to sing Rag Deepak. Tansen agreed, but asked Akbar to give him some time to prepare himself. He dared not say no to the emperor. वो राजा को ना नहीं कह पाए. वो कहे कि हमें थोड़ा समय चाहिए, फिर मैं राग दीपक गा दूंगा. अब ऐसा उन्होंने क्या किया? Tansen knew that the Rag Deepak could bring rain. The Rag Megha. वो जानते थे कि एक दूसरी राग थी, राग मेघ, जिसके बजाने से, जिसके गाने से बादल पानी बरसाने लगते थे. He taught his daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupavati to sing Rag Megha. Tansen started singing Rag Deepak on the appointed day. निश्चित समय पर वो गाना शुरू कर दिए. Flames shot up from nowhere and lighted the lamps. अचानक ज्वालाएं उभरने लगी और बत्तियां जल गई, दीपक सब जल गए. Just then 2 girls began to sing Rag Megha. और अचानक उनकी बेटी और रूपवती, उनकी जो दोस्त थी, दोनों बच्चा जो है वो राग मेघ गाने लगे, जिससे बारिश नीचे आने लगी, यानी बारिश होने लगी. और वो आग से फुर्सत पा गए, बच गए, लेकिन वो फिर भी बीमार हो गए. इट सेव्ड तानसेन्स लाइफ, बट ही बिकेम वेरी इल. द एंटायर सिटी रिजॉइस्ड व्हेन तानसेन रिकवर्ड. जब पूरा शहर बहुत खुश हो गया, बहुत प्रसन्न हो गया जब वो रिकवर किए. ही कंपोज सेवरल न्यू रागास. तमाम नए नए राग उन्होंने संस्थापित किए, गाए. हिज टॉम इन ग्वालियर इज़ द प्लेस ऑफ पिलग्रिमेज फॉर म्यूजिशियन. संगीतकारों के लिए जो उनका जो कब्र है, उनका जो दरगाह है, उनकी जो समाधि स्थल है उनका, वो आज भी एक तीर्थ यात्रा है, पिलग्रिमेज है. इसके साथ साथ मैं आपको एक मैसेज देता हूँ SMS का, कि आप वॉश योर हैंड विथ सोप, यूज़ मास्क, मेंटेन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू so much. Just go through this today's class. There will be no Google class at all. Today you will see the video 2 times and then write it. Thank you so much.